Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make cold brew coffee in my brand new cold brew pitcher. I've been making cold brew for a couple months now, but I've just been using a regular mason jar, and it works okay, but it's kind of hard because you have to like strain it out of the jar. And I just wanted something that I could make it and keep it in, so this does exactly that. It's from Pampered Chef, and I recently posted a video about the online Facebook Pampered Chef party I had, so I'll link that up here somewhere. If you haven't seen that yet, you should go check it out. But today we're going to be making cold brew coffee, and it actually has quite a few benefits besides just the taste. It's a lot less acidy. I was just reading online that a study done by Toddy makes a cold brew. Toddy, that's what it's called. It's like a cold brew setup that you can make your own cold brew with. Anyways, their study they did said cold brew was over 67% less acidy than warm hot brewed coffee. So there's that. It's also less waste. You can make it as strong or as weak as you want because it's basically a concentrate that you're making, and you'll add it to either water or milk. It's really easy to make a latte. So those are two really cool things about it. Also, it stores in the fridge for up to 2 weeks, so you can make like a whole pitcher of it and it'll be good for 2 weeks. You can heat it up if you prefer hot coffee. The flavor of it is just really a lot smoother because it's not exposed to the heat. It's less bitter. It's just all around really good, and if you haven't tried cold brew yet, you definitely should give it a try. I would venture to guess it's also probably cheaper because you're not wasting, like when we normally make a pot of coffee, it doesn't always get all the way used and then it just gets dumped out. And so this, you're making a concentrate, which also takes less coffee. It takes about 1 cup of grounds to make this whole pitcher, so it's a lot less. Okay, so now that you guys know some of the fun little facts about cold brew, we're going to be making it. I just want to show you guys this pitcher real quick. So it has this little insert that comes out, and this is where you attach either the coffee filter, or it also has an infuser if you want to do fruit or tea. So that's pretty handy. You can do hot or cold in this pitcher. Okay, so you just stick it in there. Okay, so we've got our pitcher, and here are my coffee grounds. You want them extra coarse when you're making cold brew coffee. And we're just gonna measure out 1 cup and put it in. Oh my goodness. Okay. So we've got 1 cup of grounds in there, and I made a huge mess. So it's about full. This little filter is about full. I don't know if you guys can tell in there. Got our coffee in here now, and I have about 40 ounces of water, and all we're gonna do is pour it in. Okay, so we've got our grounds and our water in there, and as you can see, the grounds come up above so that all the coffee grounds will be submerged, soaking in the water. Okay, so now we're just gonna leave this pitcher with our grounds and water on the counter for 18 to 24 hours, and then we'll come back and try it. Hey guys, so it's the next morning, and we're about to make our cold brew latte. An iced vanilla latte is my favorite coffee, so that's what I'm going to make. Here's the cold brew. You can see it's nice and dark now. It's been, let's see, I think I put it in here yesterday around 2, so it's been over 18 hours. Okay, so we're just gonna take it out. And if you have a compost pile, definitely put these grounds in your compost pile. Let's try it out. Definitely, I need some more cold brew in there. I'm just gonna top it off a little bit. That's much better. So, the amount of coffee you add just depends on how strong you like it. Make it stronger, weaker, sweeter, less sweet. You can use whatever milk. This is just a easy vanilla latte. It's my favorite, and I also have this little cute lid to go on my mason jar. So super easy. I can just put the lid back on my cold brew, and this whole thing can go straight into the fridge, and it's good for 2 weeks. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this little cold brew tutorial, and I hope you try cold brew. If you haven't yet, I am like obsessed with it. It is so good. And I hope you found it helpful, so I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.